Okay, may we call in the last but definitely not the least to give her testimony, Miss Jackie Kabakan, all the way from Manila. Maayong buntag, Cebu!
Yes!
Sana mo? Yes, I'm Jackie Kabakan. Jacqueline for short. I'm feeling nervous ba eh? First time dito sa MOM ng Cebu. So, by the way, I was a travel agent and tour guide at the same time. Before nag-MAX, Silver Associate na ako ngayon ng MAX. And I was also a cardiologist. Alam niyo po kung ano yun? Nagtitinda po ako ng kardero. Pero sa ngayon, of course, full-fledged na po ako, full-time dito sa MAX International. Okay. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, 2 years ago, I had multiple myoma. Sino pong may myoma dito? Wala. Wala. That was 2 years ago. Multiple myoma for operation. Why? Because I was bleeding. Ang menstruation ko po noon, 19 days, 28 days. Hindi naman masyadong mahaba, di ba po? So, kailangan kong operahan. Sizes are 3.6, 5.2, and 7.1. So, every time, every day, almost every day, may pain ako noon. But, for 3.5 months of taking Max GXL, nagpa-ultrasound po ako. Ang pinakamalaki na dati 7.1, naging 1.8. And you know what? Ang aking OB-GYN ay aking preferred customer. That's number 1. Number 2, I also had several cysts sa breast. 7 on the left, and 9 dito sa right. Konti lang man yun. Konti lang yun. Pero ngayon po, wala na po. And that is because of Max. And lastly, isa na lang po. Isa na lang. I also experienced, suffered from dysmenorrhea for 28 years. Sino pong may dysmenorrhea? Si Sherman daw may dysmenorrhea. Yun. Alam niyo po, 2 months lang po akong uminom ng Max, 6 capsules a day lang po. Yung ika-third month ng menstruation ko po, wala ng pain. So, napakasarap pala yung walang pain. So, thank you so much sa aking friend, si Shirley, na nag-introduce sa akin dito sa Max International. And for those who are not taking Max products yet, panginom na mo. Ano ba yun?
Yes.
Daghang salamat. Daghang salamat. Kaninyong tanan.